If you're watching this video, you might have seen Hungryroot popping into your Instagram, your Facebook feed, and well, everywhere. So what is it? By the end of this video, you'll know all of the benefits of using Hungryroot, as well as all of the catches that you need to be aware of if you're going to get on board with Hungryroot. You will also know how it fares against other popular meal delivery services like Blue Apron or HelloFresh, and you'll know whether it's the right choice for you based on your dietary preferences, your lifestyle, schedule, taste preferences, budget, and more. Hi, this is Richa from Coach Viva. Let's go. Here's the gist. Hungryroot is a plant-centric meal delivery service that promises that every meal will be under 500 calories and it will take less than 10 minutes to prepare.
The first pro is that Hungryroot has a lot of highly nutritious, moderate to high protein, and low calorie options for all diet types. Vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, you name it. Now, this especially appeals to plant-based eaters who have a very hard time getting enough protein in their diet without eating the same thing over and over again. While Hungryroot does offer some meat options, the vast majority of their foods are plant-based. And they are also moderate to high in protein, so if you are not an avid cook, then you know how hard it can be to get enough protein into your diet throughout the day. Hungryroot makes sure that all of the meals are balanced to ensure you get all of the nutrients that you need for any diet.
Pro number 2, Hungryroot uses fresh ingredients that are quick and easy to prepare. A lot of other meal delivery services use frozen packaged ingredients that aren't as tasty, or they use fresh ingredients that you have to chop and prepare yourself, which ends up taking up a lot of time, but not Hungryroot. Everything is either ready right away, or it takes less than 10 minutes of prep time to get to your table. They pre-chop your veggies, they pre-mix your baking batters, and they even prepare all of the spices for you so you don't have to go shop for them. A lot of the prep work is just sauteing stuff, adding water, and letting it cook for about 3 to 7 minutes.
Number 3, they use whole and natural ingredients in all of their foods. That means that they never use artificial ingredients, preservative, modified food starches, trans fats, refined sugars, or anything that you can't pronounce. So if that matters to you, then Hungryroot delivers, figuratively and literally.
Pro number 4, every recipe comes with a detailed nutrition label so you know exactly how many calories, macros, and micronutrients you're getting. For those who are actively tracking their calories and macros, this can be extremely helpful.
5, it's really easy to customize and tweak your preferences. So what Hungryroot does is send you a lot of staples in separate packaging. So your starches, your vegetables, your proteins, your sides. They also send you, along with that, recipes and pairing suggestions. So you can choose to tweak it however you want. You can do the recipes that they send you as is, or you can take out certain ingredients that you might not like or add a little dash of something else if you want. Besides food preferences, they also make it really easy to customize your delivery preferences. So if you want to take a week off, they make it really easy for you to skip a week, for you to schedule a redelivery, and it's also very easy to cancel anytime.
Pro number 6, Hungryroot has an amazing selection of whole food desserts with pre-mixed batters you can just throw into the oven. Since most of these desserts have beans and legumes as their base, you're getting a lot of high protein and fiber compared to the store-bought alternatives. It also means that they have lower sugar. For example, let's look at one of their most popular desserts, black bean brownie batter. An ounce of it has about 100 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 7 grams of sugar. Compare this to the store-bought alternative, which tends to be around 132 calories, 1.8 grams of protein, and 12 grams of sugar. Next, let's talk about what's not so great about Hungryroot.
The first con is that if you really love meat and dairy, this might not be the best delivery service for you because they don't really have a lot of options in that category. Their animal-based options are usually limited to lean chicken and fish. So if you're really into your ground beef and sausages, you're probably going to be a little bit disappointed.
Con number 2, Hungryroot can be quite pricey. $69 a week for 11 items, that's about 3 meals for 2 people. It's $99 per week for 16 items, your first week being $89, and that's about 5 meals for 2 people. $129 per week for 21 items, your first box being $99, that's about 7 meals for 2 people. And this comes out to about $9.92 per meal, compared to the other 2 popular meal delivery services, which are $7.99 per meal for Blue Apron and $8.79 per meal for HelloFresh.
While Hungryroot has a variety of ingredients, a lot of customers complain that the flavor is not as diverse. So for instance, Hungryroot has a lot of prepackaged salads, and an overwhelming majority of them use vinegar or a vinegar-based dressing where the vinegar itself is very overpowering. They also have cooked foods that often include sauces. And a lot of reviewers say that the sauces are pretty one-dimensional. So for instance, their famous peanut sauce, one reviewer said that it tasted just kind of like peanut butter and there's not really much other flavors to it. Now, this makes sense since Hungryroot meals are optimized for speed so that they can make it more convenient. So if you have a pickier palate, this may not be the delivery service for you.
Con number 4, the box is large and heavy because it's packed with a biodegradable insulation as well as ice packs. This keeps things fresh, but quite a few reviews have complained about having to deal with the ice packs. You can throw them away, which is not the most environmentally friendly, or you can donate them or recycle them after draining the gel, both of which are pretty inconvenient to do.
Finally, if you actually enjoy the process of cooking, this is probably not the meal delivery service for you. You're not going to get a bunch of whole vegetables that you get to chop up, and you're not going to have very creative ways to cook the meals. The recipes are not that fancy. Most of the prep work involves simply quickly sauteing something, adding some water, and in the case of desserts, baking something. Remember, Hungryroot was made for the busy person who doesn't like to cook and just wants to eat healthy with minimum thinking. So if you love to cook and you like to experiment with different techniques and experiment with different ways to prepare foods, this is probably not the meal delivery service for you.
So who is Hungryroot for? If you mostly have a plant-based diet and a gluten-free diet and you want to add more protein into your diet, then Hungryroot might be for you. It is also for you if you're a busy person who has no more than 10 minutes to throw something together, then it might be for you. Or number 3, you're someone who is actively tracking their calories and macros and want an easy way to get the accurate information for tracking purposes. Number 4, you're the kind of person who wants a meal delivery service but also wants to be able to customize it. And lastly, you're someone with a sweet tooth, but you also want whole foods with less sugar.
As for who it's not for, Hungryroot is not for people who really like meat and dairy. It's not for people who are on a very strict budget, people who get bored eating the same flavors or flavors that are very one-dimensional and simple, people who really don't want to deal with a lot of packaging, and people who want to experiment with different cooking styles.
So there you have it, the comprehensive list of pros and cons for Hungryroot. I'm curious to hear if you've decided to go for Hungryroot or not. Say yes in the comments below if you've decided to go for Hungryroot, and say no if you haven't. If you want more reviews like this of health and fitness services and products, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so that you get a notification every time we upload a video. Alright, until next time.